I think we're on the same team, right? Are you defending?
No.
I'm attacking.
Oh, my bad, bro.
Yeah, I didn't get hit. Are you attacking?
Yeah, I'm attacking.
Okay. Sorry. Oh, dude. That's right, use all your ammo.
Hey, man.
Are you attacking? Are you attacking? I'm attacking. There's a guy right here. Yeah. Look, if you look right here, there's a guy in the window. You might, I can't. Are you attacking? Alright, we're at the same team. Oh my god. They're up here. They're in the second floor. I've been seeing him. Oh, hit. Whoop. Thank you. No.
Because it's just sound jump.
Yeah, right. Oh, dude, sorry. Are you okay? Are you alright? I'm so sorry, dude.
That's so bad. I hit a person, he didn't call it necessarily, so he tried to get absolutely called it.
Dude, I hit him like right. I hit him like right.
Alright, hey, we need to push it. Yo, come on. I got like 3.
Get those stairs. Hey, right shield up first.
Oh shit, I'm out. He's right there.
Get down.
Oh, go.
Go.
Bring down really quick. Bang. Oh, wait.
Oh, hit. Dude, good. Slipping on his BBs like it's nothing. Am I able to move? Come. Reach. Clear this out.
That's right. I got it. Alright. Like someone has it. Where is it? 10 seconds left.
I'm on your right shoulder.
Push up. Push up.
I'm looking up. I've got you. Just look forward.
Take one gun.
Right, over here. like right.
I was trying to shoot through the